What can IT400 do for you? 1. Heat and melt resin raw material particles. Powders to extrude continuous filaments for use in 3D printers and other equipment. Secondly, in addition to adding ordinary color powder and masterbatch to the resin raw materials, auxiliary materials such as gold powder, fluorescent powder, luminous powder, and pearl powder can also be added to make 3D printing present more dazzling and diverse effects. Thirdly, it can support the recycling, crushing, and re-extrusion of waste plastics or shredder. Print head-finished products, semi-finished products, supports, scraps, and household plastics requiring a crusher to crush them to below 5 millimeters. Our machine is with excellent performance in processing composite materials such as PLA-CF, PETG-CF, PLA-CF, and other resin-reinforced materials with carbon fiber, glass fiber, graphite. 4. Our extruder machine is an ideal choice for scientific research, medical, aerospace material experiments, and university material bending and modification. The ultrasmall extrusion volume of 10 grams can meet the testing requirements for various-valuable materials, or 300 for stainless steel screws meet the needs of medical environments. The screws can be disassembled freely and toe clean. The influence of residual materials on experimental data. Don't worry, the equipment that belongs to you will be installed soon. The magnet is used as the trigger coil to line up and down, and DIY can be performed at any time. When powered on, the green light is arranged from bottom to top. Simple jack. Connect the devices in series and ready to boot. Note: start the device for 5 to 10 minutes to warm up before using. When the equipment is extruded, be sure to let the extruded materials line up, because the extrusion is still in a high temperature state. Once below, the wind speed cannot make it in the air or cannot be smoothly aligned forward. There will be sticking equipment, resulting in failure to work. The left speed control button is the controller of the wire speed. The right button is the extrusion speed controller of the extrusion equipment. Different materials have different melting points. The temperature on the left needs to be set to the melting point temperature of the material. The temperature on the right needs to be 10 lower than that on the left. The extrusion speed and the wire pulling speed must match. The wire pulling speed determines the thickness of the wire diameter. If we want to install it completely, now we need to adjust the cable of the wire reeling machine. If it is not stuck, we need to assist it manually. When the indicator light on the left is on, the direction of the cable is up. The sensor senses that the stopper will trigger the upper and lower, so the diameter of the coil is the distance between the stoppers. Now, we turn on the power of the wire reeling machine. If it is not stuck, we need to manually assist it. Okay, now the device is working normally. Now this wheel controls the speed of the reeling machine when the wheel is at the top and bottom. The top is the slowest and the bottom is the fastest. It can be understood as intelligent braking.
Welcome, global business partners, to Smart Solutions for Wireless. We wish you good health and overflowing prosperity.